Welcome to qnawire.
Well, the given values are theta is equal to 40 degrees. Theta is equal to 40 degrees, and length L is equal to 1.8 meters. Mass M is equal to 0.09 kilogram. And then we have a spring constant K, which is equal to 640 newtons per meter. And we need to find out X in part A. We need to find out X, the displacement, and B in part B. We need to find out the kinetic energy. 8x is equal to 0.8 meters. So we need to find out kinetic energy. 8x is equal to 8x1 rather is equal to 0.8 meters. And we also need to determine if it is still in contact. 8x1 is equal to 0.8 meters. All right. Now let's start from part A. Well, according to work energy theorem, the work is given by work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, and change in kinetic energy is equal to change in potential energy. Let's say this is equation number 1. Well, the reduction in kinetic energy is equal to the increase in potential energy is equal to the work done. So from equation 1, we can write work W is equal to 1 divided by 2 k x square. 1 divided by 2 kx square is equal to mgh. The height h is given by h is equal to L sine theta, and this is equal to, since L is equal to 1.8, multiply by sine 40 degrees, and therefore height h is equal to 1.16 meters. 1.16 meters. And then x is given by 1 divided by 2 multiply by 640 multiply by x square. This is actually half kx square. Here k is 640 is equal to mgh. M is 0.09 multiply by g is 9.8 multiply by height is 1.16, and solving for x, we have x is equal to 0.056 meters. All right, now let's solve part B. Since the spring will lose the contact with the spring at x is equal to 0.056 meters, then it will also lose contact at x1 is equal to 0.8 meters. So at x1, it will also lose contact. It will lose contact. It will lose contact. All right. So from equation 1, the difference in kinetic energy is equal to the difference in potential energy. Therefore, change in kinetic energy is equal to mg into h minus h1 is equal to mg into x times sine of 40 degrees minus x2 times sine of 40 degrees. And this is equal to, this whole term is equal to 0.09 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by sine 40 degrees into 1.80 minus 0.80, and from this we have 0.566 joules of kinetic energy. End of the problem. Thank you for watching.